Hello darlings, welcome again to my channel. Today it's Travel With Me Packing Edition. We will try to pack in a carry-on today, which is a huge challenge because if you watch my channel you know I'm not a light packer, I'm a heavy packer, and that's a habit that I still have from the times that I used to be a flight attendant for many years, where I didn't have such a luggage limitation, so I could walk whatever I wanted in my suitcase for just 1 or 2 days of layover and bring so many things, whatever I wanted with me. But times has changed now and I'm working on packing lightly. It's a work in progress. I'm working on it, okay? I'm working on it. Today I'm going for a couple of days to UK. I spent a couple of days between Poland, Italy and UK, and now I'm flying to UK for a couple of days again. And that's a perfect chance to pack lightly this time. What works in my favor is that now when I live between UK and Poland, I have still half of my wardrobe in Poland, half of my wardrobe in UK. Same goes for cosmetics, makeup, skincare, whatever. So every time I travel, I don't have to bring the whole life with me back and forth. So that's a good thing. Another number one tip that I have for you if you want to pack lightly: pack neutrals when it comes to wardrobe, because that will multiply your chances to create different outfits out of neutrals when everything goes together and you can mix and match. Whereas when you pack patterns and flashy colors, that will not go so well together, and then you have to bring the whole wardrobe in your closet, in your suitcase, to create different outfits. So stick to that rule. That will save you space, that will save you time. You can thank me later. Let's do it. I will start with packing leggings, black leggings. That goes with everything. Black turtleneck. You see, black leggings, black turtleneck, jeans. You know what I'm talking about, yeah? These beige type of chinos, they are from Zara. They are very old. I have them, I don't know how many years. They still fit, they still do the good job, still go with everything. That goes in here. I'll also pack my silk cami, because that's a perfect piece on its own with jeans, as well as underlayer for jacket, for like if you want to be more dressy in the evening. And then this is one exception from the rule that I just mentioned. This has a tiny bit of pattern, but just a little bit, and the pattern is so unnoticeable and the colors are still neutral that can go as neutral, I think. I will roll it to fill the space that I have here, because we are limited to a space management here. And the white t-shirt, of course, goes without saying, goes with so many outfits. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, leggings, jeans, jackets, everything. You can even go under the dress if you want to. I always use packing cubes for my bras, underwear, tights, stockings, everything goes in here. Wherever I travel, every single time, I take usually this pyjama with me, because that's my favorite one, because it has long sleeves, long legs, and I like to be fully covered when I sleep in the hotels. Basically, this is not my bed, so I just don't want to touch, I don't want to touch things. So I wear this pyjama. That goes also in the packing cube here, where it belongs, nicely. I use this little Charlotte Tilbury makeup pouch to bring very delicate stockings and tights like that, not to get tangled or not to get ripped by the zipper or anything. So that goes in here perfectly. My newest addition to my wardrobe, which I like very much because it has texture, it has structure. It's just a knit, but it has like very nice bell sleeves, and the texture of the wool makes it look super dressy. I got it in Topshop recently, and it's white, so that goes with everything perfectly and makes you look elegant. I think white always makes you look elegant and elevates your outfit in so many ways. So that goes, it's a must. For my handbag, I'll take one with me only, and that will be in my suitcase. It's a crossbody bag, but still big enough to use as your everyday bag. It goes in here nicely. Yeah, so that's it. Maybe I will rearrange it a little bit. Yeah, like that. Goes nicely. You see, still lots of space. In here, on the other hand, I'll put my laptop. I don't have a case for it, so I just put it like this in here, praying for nothing to happen. In this pouch, it opens both ways. I have all my stash of electronics, chargers, power banks, laptop charger, phone charger, everything else. That goes in here. In here I have my makeup and skincare necessities. Fits nicely. My dressier jacket goes on top, usually, to avoid minimize wrinkling. Will fit nicely in here. We are closing it. All fits. Not everything. Forgot one more thing. I always take with me these shoes when I travel. I always wear the heavy shoes on me, so I pack this one. White trainers, those are from Tommy Hilfiger, and they go with everything. So I take this with me. I don't like to put my shoes just like that in the suitcase, so I always put them in some kind of bag. In we go. Done. Ready. And for the handbag that I carry with me, I always take a small crossbody bag, which allows me to have hands-free, and I have easy access to my phone, wallet, passport, boarding pass, whatever I need. So that's about it. I'm ready. That was quick, easy, time efficient, not complicated, not overpacking, not crossing weight limitation. All good. I'm ready. Let's go.